Here's a recipe for roasting peanuts. Got a lot of raw peanuts here. Gonna shell them here, put the peanuts there, and then I'll show you the seasoning that we're gonna use. There you go, it's all shelled up. Got it in a nice pan, gonna cook it on a nice hot flame, roast them up with some salt and spices and a little oil. Make sure to throw the shells in your compost, that way you can use them in your garden later. Use some vegetable oil because it heats up nicely. I like mine with a good bit of oil, get them nice and crispy. Next, add some salt, however much you prefer. I like a lot. Mix everything up by shaking it. Good little toss. Cover it with a lid. Make sure everything is sealed nicely and tightly. You don't want any heat to escape. Keep all the nice savory smells inside of the nice pan. And then heat on high heat for about 15-20 minutes. Occasionally you're going to want to shake it to mix everything up, kind of like you do popcorn. Shake up now. Shake it up, baby. Another reason why you want it sealed is because if you're using pepper, when it goes into the oil and the smoke, it's going to make you cough. Try not to let the steam go in your face. The trick is to keep moving them all the time, otherwise they're going to burn. Let's take a peek. Oh, those look delicious. So we're going to just turn everything off. We're going to let them cool for a little bit, and then we're going to put them in a bowl and enjoy. There you go, folks. They're still a little bit hot, but spicy roast peanuts, homemade. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.